SCON Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company located in Yelahanka, Bangalore. With a strong focus on providing innovative and efficient solutions, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted partner for clients in the construction industry. As a BIM company, SCON Design specializes in building information modeling (BIM) services, which involves creating and managing digital representations of physical and functional characteristics of buildings. By utilizing advanced software and technology, SCON Design enables clients to streamline their design and construction processes, leading to improved efficiency and cost savings. As a BIM company, SCON Design offers a wide range of services to its clients in Yelahanka, Bangalore. These services include architectural design, structural design, MEP coordination, clash detection, quantity takeoff, and construction documentation. By adopting a collaborative approach, SCON Design ensures seamless coordination between various stakeholders involved in the construction process. This not only helps in identifying and resolving conflicts early on, but also ensures that the project is completed within the stipulated timeframe and budget. One of the key strengths of SCON Design as a BIM company is its team of highly skilled professionals. The company employs experienced architects, engineers, and draftsmen who are well-versed in the latest BIM software and technologies. This expertise allows them to deliver high-quality BIM models that are accurate and detailed. Moreover, the team at SCON Design is committed to continuous learning and staying updated with the latest industry trends and advancements. This enables them to provide innovative solutions to clients and deliver projects that exceed expectations. In addition to its technical expertise, SCON Design also places a strong emphasis on customer satisfaction. The company understands that each client has unique requirements and strives to tailor its services accordingly. SCON Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Yelahanka, Bangalore. With a team of highly skilled professionals and cutting-edge technology, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted name in the field of building information modeling, BIM. The company offers a wide range of BIM services, including 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoff, and construction documentation. As a BIM company, SCON Design understands the importance of accuracy and efficiency in the construction industry. By using BIM technology, they are able to create detailed 3D models that provide a virtual representation of the building. This allows architects, engineers, and contractors to collaborate more effectively and make informed decisions throughout the entire construction process. One of the key advantages of working with SCON Design is their expertise in BIM. The company has a team of experienced